What factors influence your credit score? And this is very important. So, inquiries. A lot of people don't know that. If you are out, I've got a really good buddy of mine who's buying a house right now. He's known for a while he was going to buy a house, and he decided to go out and buy jet skis, razors, a car. He bought a truck. Then he decided he needed a work van. We have got quite a few things that went down on his credit report, okay, over the last 2 years. We're looking at how many inquiries have you had in the last 24 months? The more inquiries that you have, the more it's going to drop your credit score. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. If you guys are thinking about financing something pretty soon, a car, a mortgage, you want to apply for credit cards, keep the inquiries low. Keep them low. Credit cards are great. Obviously, you've got to start somewhere. You've got to get a couple of them to start to establish and build that credit. If you don't have any at all, please open a couple of credit cards. But if you know you're thinking, you know what, I think we're going to buy a house pretty soon. We're going to sell ours, buy another one. Just because you get the, miles, pre-approved letter in the mail, don't apply for it. Okay. Just try to keep the credit inquiries as low as you can. Only do it when you have to do it, and only let them update it or pull it if they need to.